Hello everyone, it's day 75. Today I started out my day by watching the week 3 lecture for CS50 on algorithms. For whatever reason, like the video was like 2.5 hours long, but I swear it took me like 4 hours to get through it all. From stopping to write notes or whatever, or to like type the little code examples. And I just like kept getting sleepy. I don't know what it was. But anyway, I finished the lecture. There's still like 6 or 7 shorts videos, but after, as long as it took me to watch the lecture, I'll save those for another day. Then I looked at Free Code Camp. I started the Drop It intermediate algorithm. I've been just like skipping around that section, just like seeing like what kind of questions it's asking. And like I've started a couple, but I haven't completed any since I want to say like the weekend, whenever I posted where I think I completed like 3 or 4. But anyway, worked on the planner application again. I actually added the JavaScript to make the form dynamically render inside the modal. Added the event listeners. And I was able to successfully read in the information from the form and import it into my object class, well, to-do class. But yeah, next I need to like draw out like what I want it to look like, because it's different when you already have the HTML and CSS done. You're just adding JavaScript functionality on top of it. But for this particular project, everything's dynamically rendered. So it's like I'm literally like making it up as I go, which is, I mean, it's cool. It's good practice or whatever. But it's just like I need to think about what I want it to look like first. And then usually I go to CodePen so I can physically see what it looks like, and then go back to JavaScript, do the create elements for everything that I need, and then fit it all together so that it renders to the page, and add it back to the index.js file so that on the page load, whatever I added new is rendered to the page or whatever. But yeah, I've just been working on this application just piece by piece. This is kind of like for the OOP section, like the final project of the OOP section, like it's really not that many requirements. It's just basically take all that you learned and put it all together. Because after that, you go to testing and using APIs. And then that's it for the JavaScript section or whatever. So, but yeah, knocking it down piece by piece. Like I said, need to like draw it out so I know what I want to look like. As far as like the functionality, I don't think it's going to be too bad. It's just like adding like cool features that like, so it's not like a typical to-do list or whatever. But yeah, so far so good. Day 75.